If this year felt heavy, this space is for you. We're moving slowly, releasing what's complete. Before we move, let's pause. With every exhale, soften your shoulders, your jaw, and your breath. You don't need to carry everything into your next chapter. So let's begin in child's pose. Breathe and release. Settle into this pose. Forehead heavy, arms soft. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of this year, what it asked of you, what it took from you, and what you're no longer carrying forward. And take about 5 more slow breaths. Slowly rise to tabletop, shoulders over your wrist, hips stacked over your knees. Inhale and cow, sternum forward. Exhale to cat, round and curl. And we'll take cat-cow about 5 times. Use your inhale to open and exhale to release. Inhale as you rise. Exhale, curl under. On your last cat-cow, curl the toes under and lift the hips up. Press your hands into the mat as you pedal the feet. Step to the top of the mat for your forward fold. Exhale, release down. Take ragdoll, grabbing your elbows, head heavy. Gently sway side to side or forward and back. Inhale, rise all the way up, elbows heavy. Grabbing onto each, we'll bend over to the left, then over to the right. Then exhale, release your arms, forward fold. Let the gravity do the work. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into tabletop. Next, thread the needle, left arm reaches up. Bending your elbow will bring your hand behind our head. Then release your arm, threading your arm through your right arm and extend your right arm out as you inhale deep and breathe for about 5 to 8 breaths. Inhale as you unwind and lift your arm back up, back to tabletop, release back down. Then switch sides, lifting the right arm up, bending at that elbow, or deep stretch as you inhale, lifting the chest up, and release the arm back and thread the needle through the left arm, extending the left arm out, bringing the temple down, and breathe. Don't mind my crazy hair. Just take 5 to 6 breaths here. Unwind and allow yourself to soften. Curl the toes under and lift the hips up to downward facing dog. Pedal the feet here for a few breaths. Then step the left foot forward, bringing the right knee down for a low lunge, bending at the front knee. Inhale as you rise your arms up. Exhale as you release the arms down, hands in prayer. And then we'll twist over to the left, widen the arms out. And then hands back to heart center. And we'll take runner's stretch, extending the left knee and leg and just deepening in our fold. Back to low lunge, lift the arms up as you inhale. And exhale, release back down to runner stretch. Inhale, rise back up to low lunge, really bending at that front knee. And exhale as you release and forward fold into your runner stretch. Come back to low lunge and we'll lift the left leg back behind us and then down to downward dog. Pedal the feet out and we'll switch to the right leg forward to a low lunge. Left knee down, bend at the right knee. Lift the arms up on your inhale. Gaze forward as you breathe. Hands to heart center and we'll twist over to the right. Extend both of the arms out wide open. And breathe. Bring the hands back to heart center. Center yourself back to the front to low lunge and then back to runner stretch. We'll fold. Inhale, rise up to low lunge. Exhale, release down to runner stretch. Inhale as we rise. Exhale as we fold. And curl the back toes under. Lift the right leg up behind you. And then step back into downward facing dog, pedaling the feet, pressing your palms into the mat. Lift your left leg back up. We'll come back to low lunge. And this time we'll scoot the left foot out towards the edge of the mat as we bring our forearms down for a lizard lunge. Gaze forward or down, and then just kind of move your hips back and forth. Next, lift your chest up. And pressing down in your hands, we'll bring the shin parallel to the front of the mat, bringing the pelvis down for pigeon prep. And you can slowly release all the way down into a fold. And we're just releasing any energy from the hip area, any sort of tension that is stored up in that area. Just allowing ourselves to relax and release. And just breathe. I'm going to take about 8 to 10 breaths here. Slowly raise yourself up. And we'll curl the back toes under as we release and bring the left leg back into downward facing dog. We'll just pedal the feet here for a moment. Inhale, rise the right leg up behind you and then step it forward into a low lunge, bringing the left knee down. And we'll scoot that right foot over towards the edge of the mat and bring our forearms down for lizard lunge, shifting our hips back and forth. And just breathe here for a moment. Next, we'll send our shin right in front of us, parallel to the front of the mat, bringing the pelvis down, pressing down on the mat, stabilize ourselves before we slowly fold forward, bringing our forehead down as we deeply release any tension from the hips, any energy stored there. And take 8 to 10 breaths here as well. Inhale and slowly rise up, and we'll swing our back leg forward and around to a seated position. We'll prepare ourselves for a seated release. So take your left leg over your right, bending at your knee. And we'll take your right arm over your left knee and your index to thumb or chin mudra for half Lord of Fishes twist. And take about 3 to 5 breaths here as you gaze behind you. Then release, and we'll twist over to the other side. Right leg stacked over the right, and then bringing your foot over towards your left hip, and your left elbow over your right knee, index to thumb and chin mudra as you gaze backward or behind you. And we'll release back to the front. Come back to easy seat, and we'll take eagle arms. Left arm under the right, palms touching each other. Exhale, release as you forward fold. Inhale, release back up, and we'll twist the arms in the opposite direction. Right arm under the left. Exhale, release as you fold. And take a breath here. Inhale as you rise back up. Release the arms down. And we'll bend the knees here. And we'll take windshield wipers. Slowly bringing your knees down over to the left. And then over to the right. We'll do this about 3 rounds. Slowly lie all the way down and bring your knees to chest. And just rock back and forth for a few breaths. Inhale, bring your legs up and flex your feet here as you breathe just 3 times or so. Release the legs down, and then we'll bring our left foot over our right knee for figure 4. Grabbing the back of the right knee, we'll bring the leg all the way back and flex the foot 3 times. And we'll switch right foot over the left leg, and we'll flex the foot as we grab the back of the knee and breathe. Release both of the legs to your sides and thread your arms through as we grab the outsides of our feet and rock back and forth in happy baby, just massaging our lower back. Release the legs down, extend the right foot out, and bring the left foot over the right leg and twist here, extending the left arm out as you gaze to the left. And release, and we'll twist over to the other side. Left foot over the right leg, and then we'll bring that left knee down as we twist and breathe. Release both of the legs down to Shavasana. Bring your right hand over your heart, left hand over your belly, and breathe as you close your eyes and release any tension. Calm your breath. Release any lingering thoughts. When you're ready, release both of your hands to the sides of you, palms facing up, and just melt into your mat. Deepen your breath, inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to fully rest. Let what's complete stay here. Release anything that no longer needs to move forward with you. Notice the space you've created and rest in that lightness. Take another deep breath and then slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Inhale, exhale, release, and then we'll come over to our side, just laying down and resting for a breath. Slowly rise all the way up into a seated position. Once you're settled here, we'll take our arms and wrap them around ourselves, one arm stacked above the other, and just breathe as you stretch deeply again and release. Open the arms wide, inhale, and then hug yourself again, stacking the opposite arm over the other. Inhale, release both arms wide again over to the sides and clasp your fingers as you stretch upward. And then release both of the arms down. And we'll take a quick neck stretch here in one direction, just bending the head over to the side in the other direction, and release and breathe. Keep your eyes closed here as you soften your breath and just relax. Not holding on to any thoughts, just observing them as they come in and releasing them as such. And when you're ready, slowly flutter your eyes open, hands to heart center. Namaste. Thank you for being here and joining me on this yoga journey. If you'd like to continue practicing together, you're always welcome. I'm learning and growing right alongside with you, and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Thank you and happy holidays.